Now let us have a discussion on thermodynamic system, surrounding and boundary. Let me start with system. It can be defined as a quantity of matter or region in a space upon which laws of thermodynamics are applied. See, let me explain this with an example. If you consider this whole slide as a space, but I am interested in only this region only. This interested region only we can call it as thermodynamic system, and to this interested region only I will apply laws of thermodynamics. So this interested region in a space upon which we want to apply laws of thermodynamics is called thermodynamic system. Or one more way to define system is, it is a macroscopically identifiable collection of matter is called system. And now surrounding. Everything which is external to the system is called surrounding. That means that except the system or everything which is external to the system we can call it as surrounding. And the boundary, the envelope or layer or surface which separates system from the surrounding is called boundary. In earlier slide already we have defined surrounding is everything external to the system is known as surrounding. Boundary, the layer or envelope which separates the system from the surrounding is known as boundary. And universe, system and surrounding together we can call it as universe. Interaction of system with the surrounding, very important concept that we need to remember in order to move forward thermodynamics conceptually. Any thermodynamic system can interact with the surrounding by two ways, that is either by mass transfer or by energy transfer. Using these two ways only any thermodynamic system can interact with the surrounding.